Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I am going to show you how I keep my hair soft and moisturized after a fresh shampoo by cornrowing it up. And for us Jamaican, we know it as cane row. This is just a simple but effective way to lock in moisture and keep my hair healthy. So let's get right into the video. You all know that moisture is everything, right? So today I'm starting with my favorite leave-in conditioner to hydrate my hair. Next, I seal it with a light oil. Today I am using the Coral Starter oil, and to keep everything locked in, I follow up with a cream. Today I am using the LCO method, and it works wonders for keeping my hair soft. Now that I get my hair to where I want it to be, I'm adding my detangling products to make the comb through process super easy. This step is a game changer for me for preventing breakage and keeping my hair soft. I always start by working the product with my fingers before using a wide tooth comb, starting it from the ends and working way up. Look at that slip, y'all. My hair is feeling so soft already. Now I'm gonna jump into the process of cane rowing my hair, or cornrow, whatever you wanna call it. But guess what? I'm just gonna add 2 big cornrows into my head, one on both sides. Yes, 2. Now, cornrows are my go-to because they keep my hair stretched and tangle-free while also preserving moisture. Plus, they're a great base for any style later on. If you struggle with cornrows, don't worry. Just take your time. If they're not perfect, let me tell you, they still do the job, so don't worry. All right, y'all, my cornrows are done, my cane rows are done, my hair feels soft, juicy, and protected. Now I'll just tie it down with a satin scarf before bed to keep everything smooth. And guys, and that is it. A simple routine to keep my hair soft and moisturized after a shampoo. Let me know in the comment section what's your go-to method for locking in moisture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. See you all later in the next video. Bye.